Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in this video today we're going to be recreating one of these. So they're pretty much the same thing. You'll see how I do it. These are on frosted acrylic. This is a sign that stands up, and this is a little photo prop. So if you want to see how I created these, stay tuned. Okay, so I've got these acrylic blanks. So these are 5.5 inches wide. So the first thing you need to do is just on one side remove the protective layer. Okay, close that. Then I'm using some Mod Podge. Just got a little brush and a little bit of gold foil. And just randomly paint it where you want it. Just paint the Mod Podge where you want the gold flakes to be. Just like that. So I'll give that about a minute just to settle down. So I've got some gold foil. I've not got a lot left in this pot. I'm literally pick it out, place it down onto that, and then I brush it so it breaks up. So the Mod Podge down here is a bit dry, so it's not sitting so well. So I'll just finish these bits. So that's the foil bit done, and you can see the Mod Podge still. So when you look through, just be a touch of foil. You can add as little or as much as you want. Put some more there. Okay, so now you need to leave that to dry before your next step. So what I'll do, I'm going to go and wash these brushes to get rid of the glue. Once this is dry, we'll be back for the next step. Okay, the next step is to paint it. This is all dry. And the paint I'm going to use is this Craig and Rose in Rose Pink. This is from B&Q. And I'll probably do 2 or 3 coats, drying in between each one. I use a little sponge brush. This is from the Pound Shop. And paint on the back. So this is frosted acrylic, so it gives you a more subtle finish, but you can do it on clear if you want it more obvious. So we're just going to let that dry. While that's drying, I'm just going to get my text ready. So this I've done on the Cricut Maker. I've weeded it out, and I'm just going to get it ready onto my transfer tape. So this is the next day, and this is all dry. So all we need to do is peel this off. We're going to line that up. So that's it all transferred on, and then this blank actually comes with a little sucker, so you can have it stuck that way or that way. So when you stick it onto a window, or you can just add a ribbon. I'm just going to push that in. Ta-da! Simple. It's as simple as that. So if you've enjoyed watching this video, then please give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!